Buongiorno, Providence College. I wanted to wish you all a happy Easter and share one of my favorite recipes with you. This lamb recipe is one of my favorite Easter dishes. I'm not sure if we will be able to make it this year, but just watching it and sharing it with all of you brings me some joy and hope. I hope that you are all safe and healthy during these difficult times. Buona Pasqua. My grandson Miles misses his time there very much and wishes everybody a Buona Pasqua, Happy Easter as well. Cotolette di agnello scottadito. Scottadito, scotta means to sort of burn yourself a little bit. It's hot. And dito means finger. So that means that once it's cooked, you pick up the lamb and you eat it with your fingers. But I'm gonna serve it with a sort of a zesty mint pesto, if you will. You put lots of parsley, mint, 1 garlic clove, not too many, some capers, just like that, some mustard, and some anchovies. It has that little bit of mint, which makes it very refreshing. Here we have these beautiful lamb chops. And lamb chops and rosemary go just well. I'm gonna just kind of get some of the rosemary needles and kind of just let the lamb chops get kind of a little bit of the flavor of the rosemary. Salt, and then we're gonna pour some oil. So at this, I want a hot pan and just maybe a little bit of oil because I don't want it to stick initially. Let's see where we are. Okay. And the lamb chops are done at this point. Let's put them like this. Let me dunk this in and let me take a bite. It is really, really delicious.